Today we're moving on to science, and for science we have several different animal articles that you're going to read, and as you read it you're going to be thinking about what is the topic, the main idea, and the supporting details. And so I'm going to show you how you're going to fill out this chart after you read it. So every article you're going to read it, you're going to fill out this chart, and then you're going to answer some questions about it. So here is an example article on what to do. This is the black bear. Different animals have different diets. Animals can be carnivores, herbivores, or omnivores. Carnivores eat only meat. Herbivores eat only plants. Omnivores eat meat and plants. The American black bear is an omnivore. Black bears eat mostly vegetation, such as grasses, buds, herbs, nuts, and fruit. Occasionally, black bears will catch and eat fish and small mammals. A black bear's diet will change depending on its habitat and the season. The black bear will eat more food as winter comes. This extra food will be its energy while it's hibernating. So, the first part that I have to think about is the topic. And so, I've already typed some of them out. And so our topic is the American black bear. That is what this article is mostly talking about. It's talking about the black bear. And a lot of times the topic will be at the top of your article. So use that to help you figure out what your topic is. Now remember that the topic is the big, broad idea. And then when we get to the main idea, that's the main focus of our article. So it's more specific than the topic. So our main idea is that the American black bear is an omnivore, because that's what this article mostly talks about. It tells us that there's different animal diets and that a black bear is an omnivore. And then it goes and talks about its diet. So now I need to find some details that help me explain why this is the main idea. So if I've said the American black bear is an omnivore, I can't say about this extra food will be its energy while it's hibernating. Because does that have anything to do with the American black bear being an omnivore? No, it doesn't. So the first thing I need to do is I'm going to use omnivores eat meat and plants as my first detail. That way I know what an omnivore is. My second detail is what black bears eat. So how do I know that they are an omnivore? It's because black bears eat mostly vegetation and sometimes eat fish and small mammals. I took that precisely from this article. Let me do my highlighter. There we go. Right here, black bears eat mostly vegetation. Right there. Occasionally they'll eat fish and small mammals. So you can see that my detail comes exactly from the text. I'm not trying to put my own thoughts and ideas. Even if I know something about black bears, I want to keep it focused on what the article said. And then my last detail is that the diet changes based on the habitat and season. So it's an omnivore. I know omnivores can eat plants and meat. And so based off of the season and where my black bear lives, it'll either eat more vegetation, it might eat more meat. It all depends. So this is how you're going to fill out this chart. And you're going to do this for every article. You're going to find out the topic, look up top. You're going to find the main idea. What is this article mostly talking about? This is more specific than the topic. And then find me 3 supporting details that go with your main topic. Remember, we want them to go together. If they don't fit together like puzzle pieces, then that means that our supporting details are wrong for our main idea, or our main idea is wrong for our supporting detail. So you'll really have to think about that. So go ahead and try to do that, and then don't forget to do the questions that are in your packet.